Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your device when you turn on airplane mode? Whether you're on a flight or simply seeking some digital peace, airplane mode is a handy feature that temporarily disables your device's wireless communication to ensure safety and convenience. Let's explore the science behind how airplane mode works and why it's so important. Airplane mode, also known as flight mode or offline mode, is a setting found on almost every modern smartphone, tablet, and laptop. When you activate airplane mode, your device immediately stops all forms of wireless communication. This means no cellular calls, no internet via mobile data, no Wi-Fi, and no Bluetooth connections, essentially putting your device into a state where it no longer transmits or receives radio waves. Technically, turning on airplane mode shuts down all radios inside your device. Your cellular radio stops searching and connecting to cell towers, which means calls and text messages cannot be sent or received. Wi-Fi radios turn off, disconnecting you from any wireless networks. Bluetooth connections are disabled as well, although many devices now allow you to manually turn Bluetooth back on without fully disabling airplane mode. On some devices, other wireless functions like NFC are also disabled. Interestingly, GPS usually continues to function since it only receives satellite signals and does not transmit any data outward, though some apps relying on data connections may not work properly. The primary reason for airplane mode is flight safety. Electronic devices emit radio signals that could potentially interfere with aircraft communication and navigation systems. With many devices broadcasting simultaneously in a confined space like a plane cabin, there is a risk of signal overload or interference affecting the pilot's sensitive instruments. For this reason, airlines require passengers to enable airplane mode during flights. When airplane mode is enabled, you lose the ability to make or receive cellular calls and texts, browse the internet using mobile data, and get app notifications in real time. However, you can still use many features of your device offline. You can take photos, listen to music stored on your device, use calendar and note-taking apps, write messages to send later, watch downloaded videos, and play games that don't require internet access. Airplane mode isn't just useful on planes. It's also a great way to save battery life by stopping your device from constantly searching for signals, especially in areas with poor reception. It helps you avoid distractions by temporarily blocking calls, messages, and notifications when you need focus. Additionally, it prevents your device from accidentally connecting to roaming networks abroad, protecting you from unexpected charges. So next time you tap that airplane icon, remember the many signals your device is pausing to keep you and your flight safe. Enjoy your offline time knowing exactly what's happening behind the scenes, and thanks for watching. For more adventurous scientific journey, just like, share your ideas and subscribe so you never miss any moments.